I ordered designer clothes from a site called RepDog so you don't have to. And what I got might shock you. From the packaging to the stitching. Is it legit or just a scam with good marketing? Let's find out. For those who don't know, RepDog is one of the most talked about sites for high-quality designer reps. They sell hoodies, jeans, and accessories that look almost identical to brands like Amiri, Chrome Hearts, Gallery Depth, and more, for a fraction of the price. I placed my order for an Amiri hoodie. It came out to just over $100, and I used code CODEPLUG for 10% off. The checkout was smooth, tracking number came quick, and it took around 8 to 12 days to arrive. But here's where it got interesting. When it finally came in, the packaging was clean, no branding, but solid. I opened it up and the first thing I noticed? This didn't feel like a cheap hoodie. The stitching was tight, the print was crisp, and the weight felt premium. But we're not done yet. Let's get into the details. Real Amiri hoodies have specific tag placements, high-quality stitching, and a certain fit. So how did RepDog compare? Tag placement? Nearly identical. Stitching? 9 out of 10. The only difference was the inner label and maybe a slightly different color tone. But unless someone is comparing side by side, no one would know. So is RepDog legit? I'll be real with you. It's not the original, but the quality, price, and details make it one of the best reps I've ever seen. If you're someone who wants the designer look without dropping $800, RepDog is definitely worth checking out. But if you care about flexing real tags or reselling, this isn't for you. Most of the clothes I order from RepDog, including Chrome Hearts, Gallery Depth, Yeezy, and more, get reviewed on my YouTube shorts. If you want to see how they look, how they fit, and what you're really paying for, go check that out. Use code PLUG at checkout for 10% off, and I'll drop the link in the description. Like and sub if this helped you save money and drip up.